So, over the course of next 12 weeks, we would be trying to analyze the current process, some of the findings like I already mentioned, which are holding the project process back and causing issues. The main method that we will be using is the Six Sigma method. We'll be following a structured problem-solving approach using the DMAC methodology. As you can see, DMAC is define, measure, analyze, implement, and control. So today we are trying to define the problem and get a good definition of what the problem consists of. So, like in the previous slide, the current process issues consists of what the definition of the problem is. Defining the problem is very important in actually working towards the right problem and solving it using the right tools. So like we said, some of the things that we can work towards is standardizing the blood redraw process. We can use line balancing tools to make sure that at each step when the patients come in, the line, if you consider a manufacturing line, analogous to a service line, we can make every process balanced in terms of the processing time. This can help in avoiding patient wait times, long patient wait times. Another thing that we think we can work on is the MARS software system. This can actually has the capability to talk with the data reporting systems of other institutes where the patients have to go from time to time to do ancillary tests. This can help in having the nurses having the data on hand when the when the patients come in to get their blood drawn. This will also reduce the waiting time and also help the office staff and the hospital staff in project management, in managing their time, and also we can use all these techniques like which are defined by Six Sigma to reduce the patient processing time at certain stations. Also, the software system will help in better information flow internally in the organization, also with other hospitals outside. We can also use patient awareness as a technique to make the office staff aware and empathetic towards the needs of the patient. We can also do a staggered scheduling process where the patients are called in at 10 to 15 minute intervals and they don't have to wait for a longer time if all of them are called in at the same time. This will help alleviate their wait times and prevent them from getting agitated. And also we can do some additional resource allocation depending on how much the office staff is loaded on Tuesdays. We can have a contractor or a nurse from another hospital come in and help out with that process, in the bottleneck process, and help the physician who's drawing the blood and reduce that processing time, since that is the bottleneck as of today. So going forward, this is our plan, and we would like to take your feedback, and we would like to use Six Sigma tools and your time in those meetings over the next 12 weeks to develop our measure phase and analyze the data that we collect from that and come up with some meaningful suggestions to improve your process. At this time, I would like to conclude by taking feedback from you. We would like to identify some top criteria of concerns and also take questions at this time. Thank you for joining us and I appreciate your time.